Now let's start with a few remaining sum of exercise number 2.5. Now question number 8, any two sums I will do in each question number. Question number 8, factorize. Number 4, 64 a cube minus 27 b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 ab square. Now the whole cube, perfect cube. Now this and total 4 term. Then it might be the formula of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is formula of a plus b the whole cube. How check? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is formula of a plus b the whole cube. Represent your expression in this form and then after you can convert into factorization form. Yahi a levanu plus ni sign b and the whole cube. If their expression is in this form, right? But cube to chhe na, cube and something extra, then think on that direction. Now 64, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 4a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube. Now don't look at, એને નહીં જોવાનું. -3 એવું આવે છે કે નહીં એ જોઈ લેવાનું. -3 4a 3b 4a -3b ના આને વચ્ચે ગેપ રાખીએ, વચ્ચે એક લાઈન છોડીએ. is 4a the whole cube 3b the whole cube -3 4a 3b 4a -3b. now આની વચ્ચેની ઉપરની લાઈનમાં લખો 4a the whole cube 3b the whole cube minus 3 3s are 9 4 3s are 12 12 3s are 36 ab and 4a minus 3b. now check in question. 36 4s are 6 4s are 24 2 4 3s are 12 11 12 13 14 यानी 144 नंबर तो થઈ ગયો. yes ab and a is a square b. હા હવે બધા કોઈ કે મિસ્ટેક કરી છે એમાં હવે પછીનું ટર્મ છે માઈનસ માઈનસ પ્લસ જેવું આમાંથી રિવર્સ જતા તમે કાલે હોમવર્કમાં આપ્યું હતું, રાઈટ? તો જ્યારે આ માઈનસ સાઇન અંદર જાય તો માઈનસ માઈનસ અહીંયા પ્લસ થાય. 36 3s are 6 3s are 18 carry 1 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. yes it's question. so this is the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a plus b. then I can write in the form of whole cube the factorization, the final answer in the bracket. so 4a minus 3b the whole cube is your answer. શું કરવાનું? question, leave one line and write and arrange, then go reverse. it's easy matter. now question number 8 number 5 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4p. right? now leave one line and then after 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 यानी 3p the whole cube minus 1 upon what? 6 6 are 36 6 are 216 यानी 6 into 6 into 6 that is the perfect cube is 1 upon 6 the whole cube. a cube minus b cube. now don't see question. a cube minus b cube minus 3 a b a minus b. Now simplify, reverse मान जाओ, 3p the whole cube minus 1/6 the whole cube minus 3 2s are 6, 3p upon 2, 3p upon 2, 3p minus 1/6. Now check the question. 3 3s are 9, p square by 2. Yes, minus minus plus 3p. Now હવે આ બંનેનું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરીએ. 3p by 2 into 1/6. 3 2s are 6. Then p by 4. Minus minus plus p by 4 is the answer. Right? So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Then answer is 3p minus 1/6 the whole cube. Right? Now question number 9, verify. Question number 9 and verify. Verify means x and y, you can suppose any number, 1, 2, 0, any number. Okay. Now verify, question number 2 verify करो छू. X cube plus y cube is x minus y. This is also formula. Look at it. X plus y the whole cube. Whole cube means inside bracket lage. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in the bracket x plus y is formula. Is x plus y the whole cube formula. And what is, this is x plus y the whole cube formula. And what is x cube plus y cube? What is the difference between it? Is whole cube and x cube plus y cube, that is personal cube, it's not whole cube. Okay, so the formula that is different. આનો મતલબ એવું નથી કે ખાલી x cube y cube આપી દો, because something extra in the formula. x cube plus y cube નો મતલબ ખાલી ઘણા છોકરાઓ શું કરે, x plus y the whole cube હોય ને તો અહીંયા લખી નાખે, આ ક્યુબ અંદર આપી દે. ભાઈ વચ્ચે પ્લસ છે, ખાલી અંદર ના અપાય, મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં જ અપાય. વચ્ચે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન હોય તો વચ્ચે પ્લસ હોય તો આપવાનું, પ્લસ સમથિંગ એક્સ્ટ્રા ઇઝ ઓલસો ઇન આન્સર. This is the answer of this. Right? So x cube, a personal cube, not whole cube. So without cube the bracket and another bracket x square, here plus હોય તો minus xy and plus y square. This is formula. શું કરવાનું? Personal cube તો without cube first bracket બનાયો, પછી આનો સ્ક્વેર કરવાનો, અહીંયા પ્લસ હોય તો minus xy not 2xy, only xy, અને લાસ્ટ માં તો અહીંયા તો પ્લસ જ આવે and y square. Now you have to verify this verification. Yes, it is right with from any number. X cube plus y cube is x plus without cube x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, and the question is verified. So let x is 1 and y is 2, simplest number. LHS x cube plus y cube is 1 cube plus 2 cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. LHS is 9. Then RHS is x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. X is 1 and y is 2. So 1 plus 2, 1 square. X is 1 and y is 2. Plus y is 2 the whole square. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 square is 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 4. That is 3. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 3 3s are 9. Hence it is verified. Okay, by simple number લેવાના એટલે જલ્દીથી વેરીફાઈ થઈ જાય. જ્યારે પણ વેરીફાઈ કરવાનું કીધું હોય ત્યારે any number suppose and substitute the value in LHS as well as RHS and show them equal. Factorize 64m cube minus 343n cube. यानी 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 4m the whole cube. This is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 7s are 343. That is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cube. 343 is. So 7n the whole cube. It is in the form of a cube minus b cube, not a whole cube. It's different. मैं बार-बार समझाऊँ. A cube minus b cube without cube first bracket. Now second bracket is a square minus हुई तो plus ab plus b square is formula. And what is formula of a minus b the whole cube? तो अंदर आपको a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. That is the formula of that is different. This is a whole cube and this is the individual cube, personal cube. Then the formula is different. And here the personal cube, not whole cube. A cube minus b cube. Then without cube first bracket, without cube first bracket, and in the second bracket 4n the whole square minus with the plus 4m 7n plus last one the plus is 7n the whole square. So 4m minus 7n and 4 4s are square, 4 4s are 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Now બીજી વસ્તુ, the cube, the second box of cube is quadratic equation but it never split. So never try. હવે એવું try નહીં કરવાની કે અહીંયા 25 છે અને 12 છે whose part is this. Never. Cube નું જે second box છે, second brackets છે એના factorization ક્યારેય ના થાય. 4 power હોય ત્યારે થાય but it's not about in 9th standard. Okay? So this is the factor of this. Factor in the multiplication form is factor. Right? Factorize. Question number 11. 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. यानी this is the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, now last term, don't look at last term. 3x the whole cube plus y the whole cube plus z the whole cube minus 3a यानी 3x y and z. Then check 9xy આવી જાય છે, 3 3s are 9xyz. Yes, this is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab. Then the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula is a plus b plus c, સૌથી longest formula. A plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That is the formula. So a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c. And a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is. Answer is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. यानी cube ની અંદર 3x plus y plus z in the big second bracket. A square plus b square plus c square, that is 3x square plus y square plus z square minus ab यानी 3x into y minus AB minus BC y into z and z into 3x, right? So 3x plus y plus z, 3 3s are 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx is the factorization यानी multiplication form, and the answer is only bracket. Question માં plus minus છે તો આ આનું expansion કહેવાય, આનું આ factor કહેવાય. That is the factorization. Expansion ના આન્સર માં વચ્ચે plus minus આવે, factorization ના આન્સર માં brackets આવે. Okay. Number 12, verify. This is also जो भी आज અત્યારે આપણે બહુ ઈઝી કરાય છે કે અમે તમે જ્યારે એક્ચ્યુઅલી માં ટ્યુશન માં આવશો ત્યારે ઇટ્સ NCERT is nothing. You have to also do a lot of practice from RD શર્મા. અહીંયા બધા જ એક આખી RD શર્મા કરવાની હોય છે, પણ અત્યારે બહુ ઇનિશિયલ બેઝ પર આપણે ઈઝી કરાવું છું, બરોબર? ત્યારે જે બીજું આ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે એ પણ એનાથી બી સમ કરવાના આવે, RD માં આવે છે x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy equal to half of x plus y plus z in the bracket x minus y the whole square y minus z the whole square z minus x the whole square. This is also the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3xyz. એ એનું પણ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. But in this only you have to verify. Verify means suppose કરી દો x y z, let x is 1 y is 2 and z is 3. So LHS લઈ લો. हाँ આનું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, વેરીફાઈ કરીએ. x cube plus y cube plus excuse me z cube minus 3xyz. X is 1 cube 2 cube 3 cube minus 3 1 into 2 into 3. समझ में आवे छे? So 1 plus 2 cube 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 3 3s are 9 9 2s are 18 27 plus 1 28 plus 8 minus 18. So 28 18 minus 8 is minus 10. So 28 minus 10 is 18. Any 36 minus 18 is 18. Okay, this LHS answer. Now RHS is 1/2 of x plus y plus z in big bracket x minus y the whole square y minus z the whole square z minus x the whole square. Now substitute. X is 1 plus 2 plus 3 because value of x, y, z is 1, 2, 3. Now x is 1 minus 2 the whole square, 2 minus 3 the whole square and 3 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, value of x is 1, y is 2 and z is 3. 1/2 of 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now in the bracket 1 minus 2 minus 1 the whole square, 2 minus 3 minus 1 the whole square, 3 minus 1 2 the whole square, 2 3s are, that is 3 in the bracket. Any negative number square is positive, any negative number square is positive and 2 square is 4. Yani 3 into 4 5 6 6 3s are 18. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. In short, verification means suppose any number x y z and substituting LHS as well as RHS and show that LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. છે 13. It is very important conclusion. If x plus y plus z equal to 0 is given, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay. Now I have formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The formula is x cube y cube z cube minus 3xyz. Formula આનું છે is x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, but this condition is given if x plus y plus z is 0. So 0 into x plus y plus z is 0. 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now 0 into anything is 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Hence it is proved. Show that આ 0 હોય તો આવું તો જ આવું થાય, નહીં તો આનું x cube plus y cube plus z cube નો ફોર્મ્યુલા છે જ નહીં. ફોર્મ્યુલા છે x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz formula. But when x plus y plus z is 0, check initially. If x plus y plus z is 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz થાય. Okay. Now આના બેઝ પર હવે પછીનો ક્વેશ્ચન. Without actually calculating cube, yani with using formulas, cube but actually calculate nahi karvanu, you have to find 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube no answer શું થાય? તો આ તો શું થયું? a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Is a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula? No. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula. But if is compared with a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, when our result क्या रहा है? When a plus b plus c equal to 0 hoy, then and then this is applicable. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, but when a plus b plus c is 0, that a plus b plus c is 28 minus 15 minus 13. So 28 minus 28 is 0. Yes, a plus b plus c is 0. Hence a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. એટલે કે 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube equal to 3. A is 28, b is minus 15 and c is minus 13. Then the multiplication of this all four number is your answer. That is 3 into 28 into 15 into 30. The answer is 16380. 16380. Now look at sign. चलो, 2 negative sign, minus minus plus 16,380. यानी 28 into 28 into 28. Any negative number cube, this number is minus. Any negative number cube is minus. Any 28 into 28, 28 minus 15 into 15 into 15. આનો બધાના આન્સર નીકળવા, આના આન્સર માંથી આ માઈનસ કરો. That is the 16,380, but without actual cubing, and this is from using formulas. In short, a cube plus b cube plus c cube doesn't exist any formula. is 3abc, but only and only a plus b plus c is 0. So this kind of the sum cube is a cube, b cube, c cube. The value if you want to find, then first of all prove that a plus b plus c is 0, then and then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Else the formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc નું formula છે. Okay. Now last question. Area is given. Area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. This is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. This is area. You have to find the length into breadth. Then the area is length into breadth equal to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Got it? This is the area of rectangle, but area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. And they are in multiplication form, but RHS side is just plus and minus form. And is just expansion form. So convert expansion form into bracket form. So length into breadth is equal to. चलो quadratic equation 35 ना part करो. 5 7 are 35. 4 3 are 12. શું કરવાનું છે? સબટ્રેક્શન 13 આવે. 5 3 are 15. 7 4 are 28. Subtraction 8 minus 5 is 3 13. Subtraction is 13. Subtraction यानी different sign, middle term sign to the greater number, यानी plus and minus, plus and minus. આનાથી શું કરવાનું? સમ કરવાનું. And this y this is your answer. Then આને તો સમ કરવો જ પડે. 35y square, this is the splitting of middle term, plus 28y minus 15y, splitting of middle term, 28y minus 15y is 13y minus 12. Now 7 common, 7y common. 7 5s are 35, 5y. 7 5s are 35y square. 7 4s are 28 and y is common. Now minus sign common. 3 common. 3. Whenever the minus sign is common, be careful. Minus sign is common, inside bracket sign will change. 3 5s are 15 y and 3 4s are. Make sure that both the bracket is same. So 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3. Look at 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3. तो आंसर आपने पहले ही खबर है तो that is length into breadth. And the question is you have to find the dimension of the rectangle. So let the length is this and breadth is this randomly. So length is 5y plus 4 and breadth is 7y minus 3. In short, question છે એનું factorization કરો. Got it? Factorization થી જે બે આવે એમાંથી first bracket is length and second bracket is breadth. Now same volume is given of any solid figure. Then you have to find the length, breadth and height of volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20k. Then you have to find its dimension. So volume is length into breadth into height. Then factorize it in the multiplication form. RHS side also form the bracket in the multiplication form. So first of all, the k is common in all the three terms. So k is common. So in big bracket, k common 12y square, k common 8y minus 20. Actually 2 also common. બધામાં 2 પણ common નીકળે છે ને, તો 2 common નીકાળીએ તો અહીંયા 6 એકચ્યુઅલી આ 4 ના ટેબલમાં આવે છે ને બધા નંબર 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 5s are so 4 common 4k common तो 4 3s are 12 4 2s are and 4 5s are एक्चुअली બધામાંથી 4 કોમન નીકાળો 4k કોમન તો 4 3s are 12 ky square 4 2s are 8 ky and 4 5s are 20k. Now 4k. Now splitting 3 and 5 the quadratic equation, so I can split subtraction 2 3 ones are and 5 ones are is 5 and 3 subtraction 2 subtraction any different sign middle term sign to the greater number and it's a polynomial in y then answer is 3y plus 5 3y plus 5 and y minus 1 તમારે સમ કરવાનો અહીંયાથી અને આન્સર લાવવાનો so this is length into breadth into height so dimension length is equal to 4k breadth length is equal to 4k breadth is equal to 3y plus 5 and height is equal to y minus 1 that is the dimensions of cuboid. Okay, here is the end of this first chapter, polynomial.